I'm really looking forward to this evening. I've planned a movie night for Helen because Yaber have sent me this fantastic T2 projector.
All right, talk to me, Goose. He's still back there. He's closing in on us. He's closing fast.
You can run, kid, but you can't hide.
We've got popcorn. We've got hot dogs. We've got sweets. And of course we've got movies. But let me show you the Yaber T2 because it is something else. It really is good. First of all, it comes beautifully boxed. You get a full set of instructions, but it's very intuitive, really easy to use, okay? You also get all the leads that you need so you can plug into your mobile device like a laptop or something like that. Or if you've got a Fire Stick, you can plug into that. Or if you've got one of the Roku boxes that we've got, you can plug into that so you can watch TV on the side of your caravan, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Now, before you say anything, you might be thinking, well, what about the neighbours? If you have a projector on the screen outside and you've got movies and TV on, is that not just going to annoy your neighbours? There's two ways of getting around that. One is invite them all around to the movie night, or two, you can Bluetooth or indeed hardwire your headphones, and that's not going to annoy anybody. But there's the HDMI lead that comes. It also comes with a power lead and a remote control. So once you've got yourself plugged in, there's your power lead, and you've got your remote control, then everything is so simple because that's really about all you need to set up. But let me show you the unit itself because it's just so lightweight and portable. And on the back, can you see? On the back here, you've got that's your infrared for your remote control. You've got a USB socket here, so any USB device that you want to plug in you can do. You've got your HDMI lead here, which is what I would use to plug into the Roku box or our Fire Stick. You've got an audio out here for a little mini jack so you can put headphones in there. And then the final port here is a LAN port. Now, it's got a dust cover on the front here, which is protecting the lens. So you whip that off and there's your lens. The great thing about it is you don't need to be far away from your screen to get a gigantic picture. And also this carry handle also doubles up and acts if you need to sort of angle your projector. Once you've got it on a flat surface to angle it up a bit, you can do. But the great thing also is not only has it got fantastic picture quality, sort of a real high definition picture, but it's also got superb sound. It has a built-in JBL speaker in here. We also have a JBL wireless speaker which we can connect up to this with Bluetooth if we want to, or hardwire it again from the little mini jack output, so you can get a really, really good sound. The sound out of here on its own is fantastic, but you can boost it if you want to. So it comes with an infrared remote control, batteries included, so you can just control everything about this projector from the comfort of your armchair, or in our case your camping chair. It couldn't be easier, folks. And I said it's a smart device because it's got an autofocus system, so wherever you decide to set up the projector, once plugged in and turned on and connected up, it will autofocus the screen for you. And it's also got auto keystone adjustment. Now, if you're not familiar with the terminology keystone, if you were to put your projector at an angle or not quite level, then what would happen is the screen that you project onto the side of your caravan or onto your projector screen would be maybe slightly one-sided, or it might be small at the bottom and tall at the top, and that's all because of the angle that you've got the projector set at. But with the auto keystone, that will understand and work that out. It's got smart technology, so it will work it for you. But if you want to do it manually, you can do everything manually from the infrared remote control. I'm so excited about it, and Helen doesn't know anything about the movie night tonight. Let's head over now to our movie night and then come back and I'll tell you where you can pick one of these up from. The price is amazing, and there's some links and codes that I'll put in the description below for you to use to get the best possible price. Anyway, we'll catch you at the movie night. this really is a proper movie night, Helen. It's like being at the pictures.
Yeah.
So here we are then, it's movie night here on the campsite. And we've got the scene set. Let me just give you a bit of a guided tour of what's going on. Clearly we're using the new Yaber T2 projector, absolutely superb. Look at that picture, it's not even dark yet. And it's almost the full size of the caravan wall. It's brilliant. We have popcorn over here, because you can't have a movie night without popcorn, can you? And we've got candles to give the atmos. Mustard's ready because we've got hot dogs and onions cooking. They'll be with us shortly. And of course I'll have a beer, my favourite, Ghost Ship. Helen, are you enjoying your surprise movie night?
I was until you paused it.
Well, I had to pause it so we could talk. What do you reckon to this projector?
I think that's fantastic. It really is. I mean, for the summertime, for the kids, the Olympics, the football, movies, it's fantastic.
It's so portable as well. The best thing about it is it's got a carry handle, which we're using there, look, just to prop it up and get the screen bang on. But you can carry that around anywhere you like. It's also got a battery in it, so once it's charged up, you can get 2.5 hours of movie time without it even being plugged into the mains electric, which I think is superb, don't you?
It's not heavy either, is it?
Lightweight, really lightweight.
To carry with you.
Easy to set up. When we had this thing rocking and rolling inside of 10 minutes, to be honest. HDMI is what we've got plugged in with a Fire Stick at the moment, and we're watching a good old Top Gun movie here. Hot dogs are served, Helen. Would you like mustard on yours?
No, thanks.
You just want it with the onions as it comes.
Yeah.
Proper movie night, folks. There you go, get that. Helen's getting stuck into a hot dog. I'm going to have mine, but I want mustard on mine. I'm going to do it proper. And then we're going to get back to our movie. Got to tell you, this is a game changer as far as caravanning is concerned. Let's give you a quick look around the campsite. Everyone's in bed. Or in their caravans. But not us. We're not in our caravan. We're watching a movie. Let's do it, shall we?
When you hit the brakes, you'll fly right by. Okay, you're mine. Jesus Christ. Woo! Let's see what you got now, Chester. Okay, man, let's turn and burn.
Well, I'm sure you'll agree with me, the Yaber T2 is a real game changer, and it's brought caravanning right into the 21st century, and what a lot of fun that movie night was. Now, if you'd like to get hold of one of these, it's simple. There's a link in the description below, and also there's a discount code that will give you 36% off the retail price. Now, you better be quick, because that code's only valid until the end of September, but get yourself one quickly and you too could be enjoying your caravanning movie nights just like we did. Massive thanks to the team from Yaber for sending this over to us to try. We really enjoyed it, and like we always say, if you have been, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you know when all of our videos are coming out. But we'll catch you in the next one coming your way very soon. Bye for now.
Well, that's all right then, isn't it? Yes, lovely.